Let's explain this night vision device. Some basic operations of the menu. These are the eyepieces. Diopter modulation. For the convenience of observation, let's take these eyepieces off. This is the battery cover. There is an insulating sheet inside. Take out the insulation. Screw the battery cover on again. Press the power button to turn it on normally. This is the objective lens. Articulated. If you go in one direction, it gets more and more blurry. Then adjust in the opposite direction. This is the zoom button. Can be digitally magnified 4 times. The minus sign is the zoom key. Long press this menu button. Outgoing menu. The first one is exposure adjustment. If the sun is too bright during the day, if the light is too strong, you can turn it down. If you want to look brighter that night, that can be turned up. What about the cross line? There are 7 shapes can choose. You can choose according to the shape you like. The colors are white, black and green. 4 kinds of red. This is the screensaver mode. If it is within the selected time, if there is no operation on the button, it will go into screensaver mode. Then press any key to exit. This is the screen brightness adjustment. If it feels too bright, you can go lower. Want to see brighter? That can be adjusted higher. Here is a factory reset. Just choose yes. Crossbar adjustment. Long press the menu button. Outgoing menu. This is a crosshair adjustment. Select yes, the plus sign is up. Minus is down. Take a photo and video is to the left. R is to the right. After arriving at the target location, press the OK button to confirm.
Switch night mode. Turn on the flashlight and long press this R button. A flashlight symbol appears on the screen. Short press this I key again. Represents the first gear of the flashlight. Short press again to become R. Represents 2 gears of flashlight. The file becomes sun. Representative flashlight 3rd gear. This lamp holder can be stretched. Pull out the spotlight. Then you can adjust the position of this light. It can be adjusted to the target position. Press this R button for a long time. Switch to daytime mode.